Castor wheels are used for a multitude of purposes. They make the lives of people easier. But quality issues, shipment delays, and a lack of customization can lead to product returns, or worse, customer loss. With 28 years of experience in Castor wheel development, Comfort Castors offers turnkey mobility solutions for the manufacturing industry and is fully committed to making a difference with state-of-the-art technologies and designs. We've established a global presence of manufacturing custom Castor wheels in over 15 countries and serve valued clients worldwide. So, why do people trust us? Comfort Castors offers quick customization, fast and hassle-free shipments, and a 5-star customer experience to every client. We serve a diverse range of industries, from automotive industry to construction industry, from aviation industry, food industry, to furniture industry, and many more. Wherever there is a need for a high-quality, affordable Castor wheel, Comfort Castors is ready to deliver. Comfort Castors gives precise attention to details to ensure that every component is produced with the highest regard for its end goal. From the first interaction to final product delivery, we work hard to build and grow every business relationship by offering exceptional customer service to our clients. Save time and money with custom Castors, innovating mobility every day. Email us today or visit our website for more information on how we can help you.